Life and Nature. 1. Introduction. Life is something very special in the world. It is found nearly everywhere on Earth, from the most populated city to the least inhabited land. Both the environment that we live in and the cultural surroundings, in which we strive for prosperity and opportunity, are subjected to the relentless forces of development. Nature does not need human help for its existence, though beings, on the other hand, obviously need nature in order to exist. Indeed, the development of human beings' civilization and the rapid expansion of industry and commerce have so much impact on the life of the world. Such progress has brought people many pluses, but it has also caused countless problems to nature. This relationship between human beings and nature is a universal truth. As we all know, so much has been done to damage nature, especially within the 20th and 21st century. It is often provoked by human activities with technology. Wildlife has been exterminated and common citizens were non-stop exposed to various sorts of pollution. In another extent, it also suggests the possibility of responding of human beings to the environmental changes. It is about how to maintain and recover nature so as to provide a sustainable place for the next generation. That's why scientists and those specialists are finding long-lasting solutions to these issues. Well, it is also believed that at least a minor act of protecting the environment in daily life can definitely make a world of difference. So many environmental problems have been originated from one source, us. But it is not too late for human beings to search for a better path of development. It is not too late to protect our wondrous nature and create a better living environment for the future. After the preceding discussion, it is therefore clear that both individual and collective efforts can bring fruitful results in environmental protection. This essay will explore the topic that is, life and nature, and how do the two coexist. Life is not easy to quantify or define. It is a state, a property of an animal, or it can be a quality of a living thing. In our case, the second definition is the most fitting. Life is the property that sustains growth, reproduction, and the constant adaptation to ever-changing environments. And naturally, natural processes are responsible for all these activities and properties. On the other hand, nature is the environment around us that encompasses the life that we live. It is composed of living and non-living things. Nature's life forces, as well as its winds, eruptions, quakes, flows, growth, and decay, are all interrelated and interdependent. These phenomenal relationships, which focus on many features of the natural processes and their outcomes, are both complex and fascinating. It is significant that we need to acknowledge and understand the interlink and coexistence between nature and human life, more particularly about the valuable relationship between natural processes and how people apply these processes. Well, the above ties beautifully with the significance of life and nature.